Beyonce concert, I'm beyond turned. Oh shit. You know it'd be dope if I could get a fucking hoodie. Yeah, that was realistic. Ooh, what's this? I was just watching the Diamond Glory challenge on Instagram, and these skate niggas nowadays are like next fucking level, bro. What is this? Is that an error message? It just says error. Okay. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, that was fun. Like, I don't want to do any more missions, but like, I want better clothes, so I'm gonna have to. Damn. Now we're ready to play.
Ah, damn. What the hell are these birds eating?
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
We gotta clean this up before I show you the line.
You're joking, right? We went from being Thrasher Skater of the Year to picking up bird shit. We went from doing like, you know what I'm saying, like little photo challenges and stuff like that, to cleaning up bird shit. I'm in disbelief. This is a challenge. Man, if you would have told my younger self, yeah, Skate 4 came out, but like, you get to, you know what I'm saying, do a 50-50 grind on some bird shit, like, I'd be pissed.
Ledge is secured. Now we can handle... Are you freaking kidding me? Jabroni's leaving trash lying around? Unreal.
I ain't doing another challenge after this. I'm done. I'm fucking done. Niggas just got me doing chores.
I was gonna say we're ready for the line challenge, but something tells me the Jabronis and Crows didn't stop here. You really busted out your bag of tricks on that one, but this tour is just getting started. Head into Goldcrest Village proper, and I'll give you a few more things to pack in the sack.
To pack in the what, bro? Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm so good off these challenges. I'm just, you know, if I don't get any cool clothes, alright, fuck it. I don't care no more. At least I got checkered grip tape. Am I tripping? Like, okay, somebody actually let me know if I'm tripping or not. Am I just being too negative? Because it seems like every other YouTuber's just enjoying this fucking game. I don't hate it, but I don't, you know, like it. Well, I like it, but I don't love it. Shit, I don't love it like how I really would want to.
Elite.
I got a picture and what?
Elite.
Fucking, I'm finna just look for some spots to skate at. I'm running into everything. I'm just not having a good day on this so far. Huh? What's up? Nigga, you got in my way. Took me long enough. What's all that? I want to go up there. I think that'll look fun. You know what? Let's use this climbing mechanic that they gave us. Yep. You can wall run? Oh my god, Black Ops 3. Shit. Oh shit, I'm going off track. Oh god, no. Oh. Oh, that nigga's dead. video game logic.
Ooh, I'm about to dive in.
Ooh, skate park. Ooh, this kind of reminds me of the actually never mind, it don't remind me of shit. Never mind. Fuck. This looks like what a cartoon skate park would be like. I have a trick in mind that might take me a long time to do, so bear with me. Fuck. Huh. See, that's kind of something like what I was trying to do, but like less shitty. Oh my god. Why do you keep fucking doing that? I went over the fucking rail. If I don't get what I'm trying to get in like the next few tries, I'll just take that. Dude, lose my fucking mind. That's it. That was it. I'm done. I'm not playing this fucking game no more. I'm lying. I'll play it tomorrow. I'll come back to this shit tomorrow, so